Hello everyone, I'm Rajesh Raspal and I'm going to talk about file services in Windows Server 2008. So, I'm going to talk about installing file services on Windows Server 2008. So, s- Step 1. Step 1, let's go to Server Manager, then click Add Roles. Then, on the Add Roles wizard, just click Next. So here, we are just going to select file services from the list of available roles. So after you click file services, just click on next. Then step 4, read the information about file services and click next. So here in the file services, there's an introduction for it, the things to note, and additional information about file services. So just click on next. Then step 5, choose the specific file services role services you want to install and click next. So here are the different role services, which is distributed file system, DBS namespace, and DBS replication. So in this video, I'm just going to use the file server resource manager, services for network file system, and Windows search service. So after that, click next, and we are going to skip the storage monitoring and report option and volumes to index. So just proceed to confirmation and click on install. So once the installation is complete, click on close to exit wizard. So in the installation result, it should show that the installation of the file server has succeeded. So next is creating different file folders. So we are going to use the file services to adjust the permissions of the different file folders that we are going to make. So first is the public folder. So in creating a public folder, we are just going to go to C and name it as public. So the next step is we're going to click start, administrative tools, then file server resource manager. Then in the file server resource manager, we are going to select the file groups, and in the file groups, we are going to create a new group. So just click on it and it will show this uh, wizard which shows create file group properties. Let's select the file group name as public, and we're going to add the files to include, since the permission that we are tasked to do is all except .com, exe.vbn.vbs. We're just going to include all of the files here, file type, and exclude the others. So after that, just click on OK. Next is we are going to go to file screen templates and create a new file screen template. So just click it, and after you click it, it will generate this create file screen template. So set the template name as public and select the file groups to block. So we set the template name as public so that we are able to locate it later when we use the template. Then we're just going to select the different file groups that we are going to block. So here the screening type is active screening. It does not allow users to save unauthorized file. So just click on next. In step 7, we go to server manager roles, file services, share and storage management. So here, below file services, there is a share and storage management. We're going to click refresh, then click on provision share. So here in the provision a shared folder wizard, uh, let's click on browse and select the location of the created folder, which is in public, which is in folder C directory. So just click on next. So in share protocols, we should enable SMB and NFS. So this protocol ensures which users can only access the shared folder. Next, in quota policy, enable apply quota and click next. So we are just going to check the apply quota here. Then it will generate a quota which can specify the limit to the maximum size of the shared folder. So there it will generate a 100 MB limit, default 100 MB limit. So just click on next. Step 11, in file screen policy, apply file screen and select the file screen for public. So here in the derived properties from the file screen template, select the file screen template that we have made, which is the public. We name it as public. So just select it and click on next. So in the confirmation, we need to see the status if it has been successful. So just click on close. So in other folders, you just need to repeat the steps to and select the different users that can access it. So thank you for watching.